Hey credit cousins, so let's talk about the $30,000 classic credit card that you can get approved for at PSECU. So many of my credit cousins want to know more about the credit cards at PSECU, like what their perks and features are. So in this video, I'll be sharing a credit card with PSECU, which is the classic credit card. This credit card is a very reasonable credit card for anyone trying to build credit and simply stay out of debt. This credit card offers low rates for purchases and balance transfers that help you save on interest charges, which can help you build credit by keeping your payments low to make your on-time payment history to help build your credit. So if you decide to hold this credit card, you can get up to $30,000. This credit card holds a $0 annual fee, so this could be a great option for people looking for a low maintenance credit card. It gives you the benefits of a credit card, but you don't have to pay an annual fee for the privilege. The interest rate on all purchases using this credit card is 9.90%. This credit card offers a low rate balance transfer. When you move a higher credit card balance onto your classic credit card, you'll be able to pay off your debt even faster. The balance transfer features includes no fees for balance transfers, applications, or inactivity, and it offers a very easy online transfer process through their digital banking app. This credit card also offers free credit score services, so if you're not too fond of paying for a monthly credit report service, then you can simply get a free monthly update on your Experian credit score within the app. Also, even though this credit union is located in Pennsylvania, they do allow cash advances to access your funds through nearly 70,000 in-network surcharge-free ATMs worldwide, and the cash advance fee is currently at $0. This credit card has a very competitive APR at the rate of 9.90%. So if you are approved for this credit card, your APR would be at 9.90% for the credit card APR rate. That's pretty low. So now that we pretty much talk about the good stuff about this credit card, I will go over why this credit card wouldn't be my first pick when it comes to applying for a credit card at PSECU, Pennsylvania State Employee Credit Union. So the cons of this credit card that stuck out to me was it does not offer a sign-up bonus similar to a Navy Federal credit card. We know that Navy Federal do offer sign-up bonuses where you can earn extra cash. It also doesn't offer rewards or cashbacks, so you cannot earn any extra cash when spending your credit limit on things. So for me, I would not probably carry this credit card with me every day. It would be more of an emergency credit card, or if I need to make a big purchase on a low APR credit card and I'm unable to use any of my cash back rewards credit cards, then I may dibble and dab with this one. You don't earn rewards on every purchase, so this will not be my everyday credit card that I carry with me. Even though this is a Visa credit card, it does not include many credit card benefits like the Founders credit card that I mentioned in this video here. But a good thing is that this credit card does report to every credit bureau, and you know that if you're already a member of PSECU, you can get this credit card with no hard inquiry if it's been within 30 days of becoming a PSECU member, because your Experian credit profile would have already been pulled when applying to join as a member for the credit union. So with that being said, I hope this video gave you more insight on the classic credit card, and if you decide on this credit card, let me know down in the comment section below your results and your data points. So a lot of my credit cousins are also in the private group, so make sure you check out the pinned comments and video description below to join, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey credit cousins, if you are looking to remove those negative, nasty things off your credit report, you are in luck today. I have tons of resources for you to increase your credit score in deleting negative hard inquiries within 24 hours, late payments, charge-offs, and collections, building business credit like a boss, and so much more. Many of my credit cousins have used our resources and received amazing results. And now it's your turn. Right now, I'm offering 50% off everything online. Make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments below to get your discount now.